Hi guys, today I will tell you to save a file on a specific location. Let's suppose I am taking example of this Visual Code Studio. So what I can do, I will just open a new document. Then after I will written this is test. Let's suppose I want to save this file. I will choose the keys in the keyboard like Command plus S. So it will open the save dialog box. So you need to type the your file name like test file. You can check right now. It is showing the location parent. The folder name is parent, but you can choose your location where you want to save. You just need to click on this icon like drop down icon. You just need to click on this drop down icon. After opening this dialog box, you can choose your location. I am clicking on the desktop. I want to save this file in my computer, then react folder, then style component demo folder. So I want to save here. So I just need to click on the save icon. So this dialog box is not movable, so I will just minimize this and just click on the save. Thanks for watching this video.